Morning guys, Knucklehead here. As some of you know, I've been doing my startup motovlogging channel in earnest now. Saturday, January 23rd, I think. Haven't bothered looking in the calendar yet. Anyway, I figured I'd go out and take a ride. Should be a little bit cold. Don't know what really to expect. I've been out last night, but anyway, let's see what we got. Okay, well, may have to do some adjusting. Well, looks like it's a winter wonderland. Put the visor down, the snow's blowing pretty well. Anyway, I came out and dug a path so I can get to the motorcycle. Good old trusty 2013 Road Glide, but dug one of the cages out. The wife is up at a hotel that her company put her up for, so she could do emergency dispatching. But I guess I'll have to dig out her parking pad later. Looks like we got probably about a foot, maybe a little over a foot. And as typical, the state has fallen down on their job. So, even though I came and dug out, I don't think I'll be able to get the Road Glide out today. But I know since you guys love motovlogging, there's always a plan B. I could be making a how-to video for how to make a chin mount for my new HJC helmet, but I'll save that for later. I guess what I'll end up doing, maybe I'll take my backup bike since the Glide's out. What we have here is a 2015 Honda R1 CBR Kawi Ninja 1100 RR Hayabusa. Of course it's limited. So maybe what we'll do is we'll take this out. This is good in the snow. Okay, so far so good. We'll pass the good old Glide. We'll see how far we get on this thing. Anyway, the test. A little snow rough. Ah, shit. Wipe out. Maybe this one. Okay. Yeah, under the intercom field. I just took a high side wreck. Can't even see. I got snow on my helmet. That's what I get for having the visor up. That's right, trying to lift this bike. It's a bitch. Man, what a wipe out. Well, I hope the old limited is okay. Yeah, see if she could. Yeah, a little damage. But nothing too bad. A little cosmetic stuff. Maybe some moto stickers. Cover that paint job right up. Anyway, I think I'll take the... see if she starts. Okay, she starts. We'll take her back to the house. The hell with it. Oh. Okay, she's running good. Guess I'm glad I didn't take the Glide out. Anyway, guys, Knucklehead. Goddamn, I'm out of breath. Going through a couple feet of snow sucks. Anyway, hope you guys stay safe. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you can. Tell your friends. Knucklehead out.